Happiness automatically come when you do good deed with others. Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction. Week commence from 17th May 2021 to 23rd of May 2021. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your ascendants and you make your week easy and better. Let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants, this whole week, your Ascendant Lord transit in your 3rd house. Jupiter transit in Aquarius sign in your 11th house. Combinations are very promising between your 9th Lord and your Ascendant Lord. Your Mars, your Ascendant Lord, received 5th aspect from Jupiter, which is very good. Some unexpected gains are there. Monday and Tuesday, you will blessed with a lot of gains. You will blessed with some new business deals. You will blessed with a lot of appreciation at your workplace. If you are employee, if you are any type of worker, employee, administration related worker, or you are advocate, judge, teacher, professor, you will definitely blessed with a lot of promotion or lot of appreciation at your workplace. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, will be a rewarding days for you when you will feel much relaxed and comfort and you are trying to perform your best and you will get fantastic results. Wednesday and Thursday, you need to be careful while signing any document. Don't show your trust on others. You need to be careful about your health. Stomach related trouble, backbone related trouble, eyesight related trouble will irritate you. Aries, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding day. Wednesday and Thursday will create some problem related to your health. Don't show your trust on strangers. This whole week create a lot of unbalancing situation. You may start something new, but Wednesday and Thursday is not very promising day. Friday and Saturday, you may start anything new. You may start any new business as an investment. You may go for new investment. Those native who are already invested their money in stock market, they will blessed with a lot of gains. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday will be a rewarding days for you. You will earn a lot of money from old investment. This whole time brings a lot of positivity. Good deeds are there and you will perform your best at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You just need to chant Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. You just need to chant this mantra and try to give help to any needy people in this pandemic situation. You will definitely bless from certain side. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants from 17th May to 23rd of May 2021. Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days for you. You will be sky high. You will be top. You will sign new contract. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Your creativity create magic at your workplace. Monday and Tuesday, you are feeling very proud because everyone praying you, everyone praise you. You will get a lot of good appreciation at your workplace. If you are importer exporter, some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are any type of business related, investor, then you will get a lot of opportunity related to investment, your investment in foreign land. This is very productive week for you, Taurus. You just need to perform your best, put your efforts. Your Venus, your Ascendant Lord transit in your 1st house with Rahu, with Mercury, with Sun. 4 planet is in your 1st house. Chaturvadi Yoga in your 4th house, in your 5th house, which will create a lot of self-respect. Wednesday, Thursday, you again bounce back. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of source of earning. You will earn money from your old investments. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get a lot of new partnership opportunities and that will make you happy. This whole time brings a lot of rewards for you. You just need to perform your best because your 2nd house Lord, your 5th house Lord, your 1st house Lord transit together in your 1st house. Unexpected gains are there. Those native who are already doing any type of IT related work or computer access related work, they will blessed with the good news. You will get a lot of appreciation at your workplace. There is strong chances your salary will rise. You will get promoted. You will enjoy very good saving and very good source of earning. Friday and Saturday, your siblings will support you. Your friends will support you. Some old friend will enter in your life and you will enjoy a lot of peace of mind. Your mind will be stable and you will enjoy a healthy life. This whole week, Taurus, you will be sky high and top. Just need to perform your best and must read Gayatri Mantra every day morning 108 times. or 121 times. The more you chant Gayatri Mantra, the more you feel positive surrounding, the more you feel positive atmosphere. You will, you will be sky high and top after chanting Gayatri Mantra every day morning. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 17th May to 23rd of May. This whole time will brings mixed fruit for you, especially Monday and Tuesday is not very promising days. You will be a part of any struggle. Your struggles are not going to give you fruitful results. You will see a lot of up and down in your professional life. You are not feeling happy, you are not in a comfort zone. Relationship with your elders will create some panic situation. Relationship with your spouse or your elders or your father or your grandfather will create some panic situation. This whole week, Gemini, you need to be patient and perform your best. If you have a good Mahadasha like Mercury or Venus Mahadasha active in your birth chart, you may rise a lot. Otherwise, if you have a Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha, Sun or Mars Mahadasha, you will be a part of any litigation or any problem. You are not satisfied from your source of earning. Wednesday and Thursday, you may get a lot of opportunities, but all things are not clear in front of you. Your mind is getting confused what to do or not. Because Wednesday and Thursday, as per moon position, you are create a lot of panic situation at your workplace. Your seniors are demanding more efforts from you and you are failed to give results. Must wake up early morning and chant Om Ganganapataya Namah, Om Ganganapataya Namah. Chant this mantra. And offer laddus, moti choor ke laddu to Lord Ganesha every Wednesday or every day morning at temple. Friday and Saturday, you will be a part of any litigation. You will be a part of any problem. This whole week brings a lot of uncomfort moments in your professional life as well as your personal life. You need to be careful while talking with your elders at home. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. This whole time creates a lot of up and down and unbalancing situation at your workplace. You need to perform your best. You need to put 100% efforts, then you will get 20% results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem, any litigation. Your mind is not stable. You are feeling uncomfort. Must visit Lord Ganesh temple every day morning. And praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.